G'day, welcome back. So today we're going to be fitting these Prorack S-Wing roof bars on the Santa Fe. Right, so we've got the bars themselves, which are kind of Aero style through bars. As it says there, you also need a fitting kit. Now the fitting kit for this model of Santa Fe is the K775, and you'll see on the roof bars there you've got those little holes that the adapter kit fits into, and yeah, we'll see what it takes to stick it all together. There's the bars. Instructions. Even comes with a tool. Right, here's the fitting kit. These feet times 4. Another tool. Some screws. More instructions. Right, I've just set one of these up, so I'll show you how to do the next one. A little bit fiddly, instructions aren't the best, but you can get it done. So, take your cover off. Loosen the adjusting screw. Pop that bit out. Grab this wee tool that lives in the cover. I'm going to pop these pins out. So nice, you can take out the universal bracket. Get your correct foot, and they're sided, an uphill and a downhill. That's the right one. Then we'll wind the adjuster all the way in. Pop it on there. Get that seated where it should be. Then there's kind of a hidden screw down there, which is why I needed to adjust the adjuster. Pretty good. Got these two wee screws here. Just come in down here. Do you drop them? One. Two. That's nice and loose, so that can adjust. Right, I'll do the other side, we'll stick it on the car. There we go, all installed. Not too bad really. Instructions a bit average, only got pictures not words, but apart from that went together pretty well. Seems like a nice solid product. Disclaimer, I paid for this, not a sponsored thing, so went on sale, I bought it because we needed it, and yeah, quite happy with that so far. So next we're going to put the roof box on, so look out for that video. Cheers.